जय जगन्नाथ पिला माने आज रो वीडियो को समस्त को स्वागत। तुम इंग्लिश बही रो यूनिट 1 फेबल्स एंड folk टेल्स अर्थात नैतिक कहानी एवं लोक कथा ता अंडर रही बॉटल ऑफ ड्यू अर्थात गोटे बोतल काकर ए चैप्टर टी रो क्वेश्चन आंसर गुडी को डिस्कशन करनेबा। लेट अस डिस्कस आसो आलोचना करिबा। एक नंबर क्वेश्चन देछि व्हाई वाज रामनाथ एंग्री अर्थात रामनाथ काहे के रागिले। आंसर रामनाथ sprinkled a few drops of magic potion on a copper vessel and waited for it to turn into gold, but nothing happened. He became angry because he thought the sage had cheated him and nothing him, and he wasted 6 precious years of his life. Next question number 2. How did Ramnath and Madhumati create wealth? Answer. Ramnath and Madhumati created wealth by planting rows of banana plants. Madhumati gathered the banana crops and sold them in the market and got a good price for it. Next, let us think and reflect. ताहले आसो चिंता करिबा और विचार करिबा। एक नंबर प्रश्न देछि रीड द फॉलोइंग लाइंस एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो। ताहले निम्नलिखित धाड़ी गुडी को पढ़ो और परवर्ती प्रश्न गुडी को उत्तर दियो। तळे जहा प्रश्न पचाछि तार उत्तर देबा एही लाइन गुडी को पढिकी। ताहले पढिबा एरे he spent all his time learning more about the magic potion. People cheated him, often promising to tell him about it, but he did not give up. His wife Madhumati was tired of this and also worried because she saw how much money Ramnath was spending. She was sure that soon they would be without money. ताहले I complete the sentence with a suitable reason. ताहले 12 पदाची रामनाथ did not give up because तो एटी आंसर ही जो पिला माने आंसर Ramnath did not give up because he believed that there was a magic potion that could turn any object into gold. He was sure that he would succeed in finding it. Next, read the paragraph and match column A with column B. अर्थात अनुच्छेदटी को पढ़ो और स्तंभ A सहित B को मिलाओ। ताहले A स्तंभ सहित कॉलम B को B स्तंभ को मिलेबा हला। ताहले मधुमती रामनाथ people एठी cheated Ramnath often, worried about Ramnath's behavior, spent all his time learning about magic potion. ताहले एठी पिला माने मिलेबा मधुमती मधुमती सहित एटा जोड़िबो worried about Ramnath's behavior. Okay, next Ramnath ताहले Ramnath spent all his time learning about magic potion. People एटा फर्स्ट सहित जोड़ी नेबो हला cheated Ramnath often. Okay, next आगो को जिबा write whether the following statements are true or false. अर्थात निम्नलिखित विभूति गुडी को सत्य किंबा मिथ्या ट्रू पाई टी और फॉल्स पाई एफ लिखिया। बुझिला ए मधुमती was troubled about what her husband did. ताहले पिला माने एटा टी हे जो बुझ परलो टी। नेक्स्ट बी रामनाथ was very happy digging his fields. ताहले एटा फॉल्स बुझिला एटा हे जो फॉल्स। नेक्स्ट सी the people did not like to cheat Ramnath. ताहले एटा पिला माने मध्य फॉल्स बुझिला भूल हे जो। नेक्स्ट आगो को जीवा बी केयरफुली ही took the bottle of the sage. The sage smiled and muttered something over the water. Then he turned the bottle and said, "Try it out." Ramnath sprinkled a few drops on a copper vessel and waited for it to turn to gold. To his surprise, nothing happened. ताहले कौन देइछि देखिबा आई रे read the list of events given below. Arrange them in order and choose the right option. ताहले पिला माने निम्नलिखित घटना गुड़िकर तालिका को एगुड़िक को पढ़ सेगुड़िक क्रम अनुसार सजाई दियो और ठीक उत्तरटी को बाछ ताहले एठी देखो ए बी सी डी एमती आंसर गुड़िक देइछि ए रे देइछि दी सेज स्माइल्ड रामनाथ gave the bottle to the sage. Sire Ramnath dropped a few drops of water on a copper vessel. Dire he said something in a low voice over the water. Ire Ramnath waited to see if the magic worked. ताले एगुड़िक आम सजेकी लिखा तो ये वन देइछि ए ई डी बी सी टू रे देइछि बी ए डी सी ई तो एगुड़िक रु पिला माने ठीक उत्तरटी हो आंसर एटा हो हला बी ए डी सी ई हला बी ए डी सी तो क्रमानुसार सजेइबो बुझला। नेक्स्ट टू रे देइछि choose the correct word from the paragraph and fill in the blank अर्थात अनुच्छेद उपयुक्त शब्द बाछि शून्य स्थान पूरण कर। तो एठी देखो देइछि seeing that the plant had dried up the gardener dash some water on it ताले एठी पिला माने लेखिबो एठी लेखिदबो स्प्रिंकल्ड है सिंचन करिबा एस पी आर आई एन के एल ई डी स्प्रिंकल्ड हैला। नेक्स्ट 3 हाउ माइट रामनाथ have felt when nothing happened to the copper vessel ताहले तंभा पात्रर किछि परिवर्तन न घटिबारु रामनाथ कौन अनुभव करी थिबे ताहले यार आंसर लिखिबा आंसर रामनाथ might have felt angry and surprised when nothing happened to the copper vessel ताहले पिला माने एटी vessel एस एस ई एल लिखिबला V S S E L। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस अर्थात निम्नलिखित प्रश्न गुड़िकर उत्तर दे प्रश्न गुड़िकर उत्तर लिखिबा ए तो व्हाट डिड द सेज आस्क रामनाथ टू डू टू मेक द मैजिक पोशन अर्थात कुक द्रव्य तैयारी करिबा पई ऋषि रामनाथन को कोन करिबा पई कहिले आंसर द सेज आस्क्ड Ramnath that he had to plant a banana plant and water it regularly. He also told him to collect the dew on its leaves in winter mornings and store it in a bottle. After collecting 5 liters of dew, the sage would chant some magic words and the dew would turn into the magic potion. Next B. Why did the sage ask Ramnath to do everything himself? अर्थात ऋषि रामनाथ को सबु कार्य निजे करिबा पई काहीकि कहिले Answer the sage asked Ramnath to do everything by himself because he wanted Ramnath to learn the importance of hard work. See, how could Ramnath have a big banana plantation after 6 years? अर्थात रामनाथ 6 वर्ष परे किपरि गोटे बड़ कदली बगीचा करि पारिले ए बिग बनाना प्लांटेशन गोटे पिला माने अर्थ होची बड़ कदली ବଗିଚା। ବୁଝିହେଲା? ତାହେଲେ ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ଲେଖିବା। ଆନ୍ସର ରାମନାଥ continued planting banana plants to collect 5 liters of dew. Over the years, he planted more and more plants so that he could have a big banana plantation after 6 years. D. Ramanath believed that there was no magic potion. How? ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଏହାର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରିଛି ପିଲାମାନେ ରାମନାଥ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କଲେ କୌଣସି କୁହୁକ ଦ୍ରବ୍ୟ ନାହିଁ। କିପରି? ହାଉ ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ କିପରି? Answer. The sage made Ramnath believe that there was no magic potion that could turn things into gold. The sage told him that it was his hard work on his land that created wealth, not magic. Ramnath understood the trick of the sage and worked even harder on the plantation. E. Fill in the before and after table about Ramnath. ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି ଏଠି ପଚାରିଛି ପିଲାମାନେ ରାମନାଥ ବିଷୟରେ ପୂର୍ବବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଓ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସାରଣୀ ପୂରଣ କର। ତାହେଲେ ହ୍ୱାଟ ହି ଡିଡ୍ ବିଫୋର ମିଟିଂ ଦି ସେଜ୍, ତାହେଲେ ହ୍ୱାଟ ହି ଡିଡ୍ ଆଫ୍ଟର ମିଟିଂ ଦି ସେଜ୍, ପୂର୍ବବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଓ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସାରଣୀକୁ ପୂରଣ କରିବା। ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି ତୁମମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଦେଇଛି, ତୁମେମାନେ ଲେଖି ନେବ ହ୍ୱାଟ ହି ଡିଡ୍ ବିଫୋର ମିଟିଂ ଦି ସେଜ୍। 1 ଲେଖିବ ରାମନାଥ ଡିଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ଏ ଡେ ଲୁକିଂ ଫର ହିଜ୍ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ବିକଜ ଅଫ୍ ଏ ଫନି ଆଇଡିଆ ଅଫ୍ ମ୍ୟାଜିକ୍ ପୋସନ୍। 2 ରେ ଲେଖିବ ହି ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ଏ ଲଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମନି ଟୁ ଲର୍ନ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ଦି ମ୍ୟାଜିକ୍ ପୋସନ୍ ବିଫୋର ମିଟିଂ ଦି ସେଜ୍। ବୁଝିହେଲା? ନେକ୍ସଟ ଏଠି ଲେଖିବ ହ୍ୱାଟ ହି ଡିଡ୍ ଆଫ୍ଟର ମିଟିଂ ସେଜ୍ ରେ 1 ରେ ଲେଖିବ ହି ଆସ୍କଡ୍ ଦି ସେଜ୍ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ଦି ମ୍ୟାଜିକ୍ ପୋସନ୍। 2 ରେ ଲେଖିବ ହି କ୍ୟାରିଡ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ ଦ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ସେଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟିଂ ମୋର୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମୋର୍ ବାନାନା ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟସ୍। ହେଲା? ତ ଏମିତି 2ଟା ଲେଖା ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଆଉ ବିଫୋରରେ ଲେଖିନେବ। ତାହେଲେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଗକୁ ଯିବା। ଲେଟ୍ ଅସ୍ ଲର୍ନ ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଆସ ଶିଖିବା। ତ 1 ନମ୍ବର ପଚାରିଛି ରିଡ୍ ଦ ଫଲୋଇଂ ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦ ଷ୍ଟୋରି। ତାହେଲେ କାହାଣୀ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ପଢ଼। ତାହେଲେ ଏଇ ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପଢ଼ିବ। ପ୍ରୋମିଜ୍ଡ, ରିମେମ୍ବର, ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ, ହିଉ, କ୍ରିଏଟ୍, ଏଠି ଅଛି ଚିଟେଡ୍, ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ, ଲକ୍ ଆଉ ମାର୍କେଟ। ବୁଝିଲା? ତାହେଲେ ତଳେ ପଚାରିଛି ଦେଖ ୟୁଜ୍ ଦି ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ correctly to complete the paragraph given below. There are 2 extra words in the box that you do not need. ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି ପଚାରିଛି ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ସଠିକ ଭାବେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ତୁମେ ମାନେ ନିମ୍ନରେ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବା ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦକୁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ କର। ତାହେଲେ ଏହି ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦକୁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ କରିବା। ଏଠାରେ 2ଟି ଅତିରିକ୍ତ ଶବ୍ଦ ଅଛି ଯାହା ତୁମର ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। ତ ଏଠି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, 2ଟି ଅତିରିକ୍ତ ଶବ୍ଦ ଅଛି। ତାହେଲେ ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦଟିକୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିବା। There was a farmer who had a, ତ ଏଠି ଲେଖିବ ହିଉ। ହେଲା? ହିଉ, H-U-G-E, ହିଉ coconut plantation. He worked hard and did not depend on everyday was. ତ everyday was ଏଇଠି ପିଲାମାନେ difficult ଲେଖିବ। D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T। ହେଲା? difficult. But he did not give up. One day a man bought a bag of coconuts from him and a dash। ତାହେଲେ and ଏଠି ଲେଖିବ promised। ହେଲା? P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D to pay him the money the next day. Days passed and the man did not pay him anything. The farmer felt। ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି ଲେଖିବ farmer felt cheated। ହେଲା? felt cheated, C-H-E-A-T-E-D, cheated about 2 months later. He met the same man and asked him about his money. The man said, "Oh, I had forgotten. Now I remember." MEMBER ହେଲା। He coconuts from you and he paid the money ବୁଝିଲା। ତାହେଲେ ଏମିତି ତୁମେ ମାନେ ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦଟିକୁ ଫିଲଅପ କରିନେବ। ଆଶା କରୁଛି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ ହେଇଥିବ। ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ନୂଆ ଥିଲେ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ କରିବ ଆଉ ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିଦବ। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ।